before we start this video, do me a favor, like the video from the jump. If you're not subscribed already, subscribe. Hit the like button, hit the bell notification icon. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. The minute we get to 500, like I said, we're gonna do the motor drain valve giveaway, and Terry's gonna throw in a couple of extra things. He already said that in a different video that he filmed on his own. Alex got another video that he filmed on his own. Those are gonna be dropping separately, but this is about something else. Anyways, yo, let's get to 1,000 subscribers. Can we do it? I'm not gonna say before the year ends, cause like we're halfway through November and shit. Yeah. So, and we're really low. But yo, can we do it relatively soon? Let's get to 1,000. What up, gang? Yeah, you know the boys are here. And we got Jay on his way down from New Hampshire. I called him up. I was like, yo, Jay, what are you doing? He's like, yo, chilling. I was like, good, come through. He said, okay, I'm down. He's on his way. That's the homies. So we're gonna be chilling with the homies out here today, and I'm gonna show you guys what we're doing. Me and Terrence, we both have some SPC tow arms, and you know, Terrence, we like to do things on our own here, right, guys? DIY. We don't like to pay other people to do it if we could do it, or if we feel like we could do it. And we're totally gonna do this the wrong way, but we're still gonna do it. So fuck it, right? We're gonna roll our fenders today because I'm gonna show you why. Check this out, guys. I'm trying to drive the other day, and look at my tires. I meated the tires. It's just not good. There's a big lip under here, which I gotta roll out. And Terrence is gonna roll out his. Also, yo, check this out. He said, I'm not going that low. You're a fucking liar. So we're gonna do this the getaway. Heat gun and a rubber mallet. Yo, wish your boy some luck. Yo, real quick, look at this fuckery, right? So they sent Terrence these 2 bolts, right? And that's it. They sent me one of these bolts and a shorter bolt, and that's it. Look at mine right here. See, that's it.
Same company.
Same company. Same parts. Same exact order. Not the same hardware.
Nope.
So what we're gonna do, we're about to step out to the local hardware store. I'm about to see if we can get some bolts. We're gonna take them both with us. Well, we'll probably just take mine because I have both sizes. You can leave yours. And then you need 2 of the small ones. I need one of the big ones and a small one. And
do I really though?
Huh?
But do I really though?
I don't know. We'll get them just for, you know, good measure. Better to be safe than sorry, right? Yo, and another reason why you should like this video, because it's cold as fuck out here and we still working.
Contemplating life.
Yeah, Alex is contemplating life. He's like, fuck, it's cold and I gotta be working out here with these clowns. Look at him. He's like, nah, this is not the way. Yo, but anyways, we're gonna head to the hardware store, and then we'll be right back, and we'll continue the video. Alright, guys. Back from the hardware store, we got everything we need. A little bit of white lining grease, all the bolts and the nuts we need. Now we can officially get to work, ain't that right, Terry?
Yeah, about time.
Yeah, so we're running out of sunlight. We got like 3 hours of sunlight left, and it ain't even sunlight, as you can see.
Yeah.
This is the conditions we're messing with, and it's like 40 degrees outside, right?
It's freezing.
If that, freezing. It is cold. That's the thing about us living in New England, right? We don't have the benefits of the California sunlight.
Yeah, where it's
or
always
the heat.
Warm and
always
sunny.
Warm. The dudes in Cali, the dudes in Florida, you know, they get it in, but we're still gonna get it in regardless if it's cold or not, right?
Yeah.
More content for you guys. Yeah, we also ain't got no choice. So let's get this work done.
Do a little bit right here.
Hood rat shit. That's already so much better.
Yeah, that's way better.
It's not wavy either, but I want it more flat.
You would have to do like right in this area.
I know. That's why you get a roller. We ain't got a roller right now. And this is DIY at its finest.
For real.
I don't suggest you do this at home. We're just idiots, like I said in many of our videos.
We find loopholes to loopholes.
Loopholes to loopholes to the fucking loopholes. To the butt. No, whoa, wrong video. Yeah.
Probably do like a slow motion right here. Alright then. I think it was rubbing back against it.
Right here. I feel like there's still a lip right here. I want to get.
Oh yeah, right here.
I'm gonna show you guys a before and after. Follow me. Follow me real quick, Alex. So, if you guys look, come here. See how this lip right here just bubbles out? This is how both sides were, and this is causing this. These tires are kind of meated right now, right on this edge, but you can still run them because that's not that bad. It was just scraping them. Now, you see how this is? That was both sides. Check the other side. We were able to get this nice and rounded, and it's not poking out like it was before. It doesn't have that lip like it has on the other side. And if you look at this, my fenders aren't fucking bubbled out or
Wavy.
you know, wavy. I'm not chipping the paint. I'm not cracking anything. You need some heat and a rubber mallet, or do it the right way and get someone to roll them. But you know,
This is for now.
hood rat shit. Yeah.
Clean and effective.
Just for now, until you know it goes to paint and body work, then I'm gonna really do it. Also, I'm gonna take it to a shop and have the toe arms put in, because that rear bolt is seized up and it's being a bitch to come out and can't knock it out. So I don't want to break something. I'll take it to a shop, pay them, because if they break it, then they got to replace it, right?
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Look who showed up.
Yo,
What up, Jay?
I feel like he just came from a party.
He did. He look at this. Jay too pretty for us right now.
I just tossed the sun, you know.
Yeah, you know, this whole thing.
Wait, most importantly, he got black Air Forces on. You can't be trusted.
Oh shit.
Yo, so you guys see that? Quick little before. Look at that. That shit is dead.
All right, guys. So that was the before.
Look at the after.
I have no idea.
Rolled the hell out, or hit the hell out. Don't mind that little bit of rust right there. That's actually gonna be taken care of in the springtime, because I'm gonna send this car out for paint and body work.
Look at that rusty.
Yeah. This car's gonna get painted. The entire body's gonna get painted. But anyways, look at that shit. Way better. And like I said before, they're not wavy. I didn't crack paint. I'll crack the paint on the inside right here a little bit, but outside quarter not wavy, not dented, not cracked the paint, nothing. It came out pretty good. All right.
Yeah.
Now it's just time for a test drive, and hopefully we're not tearing up the tire like I was before, because that shit was bad, and I wasn't even that low.
Yeah.
So now I could go lower, but I'm not going to until the shop does the toe arm adjustment and then I can get an alignment, because That's just no bueno. No bueno. Anyways, let me put this tire back on and then take for a little rip around the block. Do some pulls and see if it handles. All right, guys, wheels are back on. Let's take this puppy for a test drive and see how she does. Hopefully we're not rubbing so hard. And plus, we gotta go get a couple more tools at Terrence's house. Mainly a pry bar and a bigger hammer because I am trying to get all you in the frame. See? There you go. There you go. Anyways, we need some more tools because Jay had a little whoopsie with the CRV, so we're gonna fix that out real quick. Yo, before anybody else says something, the bumper's coming, dog. I just have other parts that I'm waiting on to reveal the whole thing. But even without a bumper, she still look good. Look at this. Whose tail's this, bro? That shit's looking good. Yo, this shit is hell. Like, it runs a tiny bit, but not as much as it was. I could drive it now. Like, I could actually drive it now. Yeah. I told Alex I'm painting the whole car diarrhea pink. Nah, Pepto-Bismol pink. Oh shit. Pepto pink. Pepto pink. Pepto pink.
Oh god. That actually might be kind of nice.
That's the color. That's the color of the TL in the future. Pepto pink. What y'all think? Oh!
Pepto. We could go Dunkin's pink.
Dunkin's
same color.
Pepto's lighter.
Pepto's more like milk.
Yeah, no, I'm not doing that shit. Yo, but anyways, update. The car ran actually really good. So it's not rubbing as much as it was. It's still rubbing very little bit, but we took out like at least 85-90% of the rub. Now it's just on a hard dip. It goes, but you know, it rubs a little bit. That's my sound. That's my rub sound.
Look, feel it. It's smoothing it out.
Yeah, I saw it smoothing it out a bit. The fronts rub a little bit, but you know, you can't roll a carbon fiber fender, so camber, just a little bit of camber, and then maybe we'll tweak the height a little bit lower. But I don't know, I'm pretty satisfied with the height as it sits right now. You know, I dig it. All good, and she's drivable for now. Driving to the alignment shop. That's the first place I'm taking it before I start like going ham. You know what I mean? But anyways, it's running smooth. Now let's fix Jay's car. This shit is wild. Yo, Terry, give me some light down here.
Hold on. You see what I'm doing? See how the car's not moving? This shit's just going up?
Yeah, that's how we should be doing. The car is moving a little bit. But yo, anyways, check this out. His lower control arm, there's a little lip up here that just straight caught this and got it wedged up there. Like, it just did not come out. So we had to pry that bitch out. And now it's sitting really low, but we're gonna put the wheel back on and pray for the best.
Yeah, Jack's coming up.
We got it out. Problem solved. Let's get this wheel on.
VQ.
Is it flush all the way around?
Yep.
Man, don't scratch the wheels.
I'll do you a favor. I'll keep the wheels for you. I'll get rid of the car. I know. You don't have to thank me now. I'll take care of it for you.
No. Time out.
What would I do without you guys?
I asked Jay for the waffles before anybody.
Yeah, but my hand's on it right now.
You know what? I got a better deal for you, dog. You give me these waffles, and I'll give you those Nissan Maxima wheels for you can sell on it. You can just throw them right on and just call it a day. Still wheels to move it.
Exactly.
He ain't offering
but
you.
they aren't candy red apple though.
But,
That's the
he's
problem.
not offering you anything. He just said, I'll take them.
All right,
I
all right.
think
You want to
Jay-
go there? I got these beautiful winter wheels. Blizzak
Yeah, but why would you want to sell
tires.
those?
I'll give them to you.
No.
Fair swap.
Time out.
Brand new tires.
Time out. No one's gonna get it unless you've seen the movie. But I got these cheeseburgers, man. you don't get it?
Nah.
Nah.
Y'all ain't never seen what's it?
Don't be a menace.
Yes.
Oh.
Don't be a menace. But he's like, come on, man, I got these cheeseburgers, man. He was like, nah, get out of here. He was like, I suck your dick.
Oh yeah. Oh shit. Bro, this is how I make shit. Boom, I can't even fit my 2 fingers. That's, my 2 fingers are spread on that one.
Damn.
Let's see. Practice it for later.
Yeah, he is. That's what the fuck. Yo, he just awkward turtled your fucking fender wheel.
It's a turtle, bro. Damn, I could put way more in here.
He gave you your gap, the
Well, I
awkward
can't
turtle,
fit the
dog.
fist in there.
No,
So,
if you
Alright.
could fist it, it's no good.
yeah.
All right,
Just
so
say
I say
It's used.
It's
tighten
used
it,
and
Make
abused.
sure it's nice and tight. Just drive around the
We're
block.
driving around the block, make sure
Yeah.
it's good to go. Just avoid potholes this time.
Yep.
Yeah.
I try my best. Alright, let's go.
How'd it run?
Well, it's smooth.
It's way better?
Yeah, it's way better now. It just looks weird that it's high. I don't know why.
Yeah.
Yeah, it handles smooth. I had him hit a couple potholes just to,
Yeah, well, don't hit potholes on purpose.
just to make sure.
Yeah, I get you. All right, guys, so there you have it. You guys saw us roll the fenders, kinda, or hammer the fenders, whatever you want to call it. But it runs a lot better, it's a lot smoother. That's all I asked for, that's all I wanted, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, we're gonna do Terry's fenders next so that he can slam it out. But we gotta do both his fronts and the rears, right?
I don't think the fronts will be that much of an issue though.
Yeah, but we might as well just for the hell of it.
Well, because I purposely got a different offset for the front, so I don't have rubbing issues.
Okay, well we're gonna roll the rears anyways.
Yeah.
So Alex and Jay just left. Jay's issue is fixed. His car's running smooth, so that's good to go. My car's, I'm not chewing through tires like I was, so that's good. Anyways, yo, like I said in the beginning of the video, subscribe, hit the bell notification, press the like button, comment down below, let us know how we did on the fender rolling.
More like pounding.
More like pounding.
Fender pounding.
We pound the shit out of those fenders. Yo, but anyways, join us. Help us get to 1,000. That's the next goal that I want to personally get to. 1,000 subscribers. So help us out. Help us get there. 500 subs is the full motor drain valve giveaway. And 1,000 subs is the next goal.
Yeah.
And then we're just going to keep building from there. So if you rock with us, just hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, leave a comment telling us what you think, and that's gonna call it a night.
Cold night, a very cold night.
Yeah, it's probably down in the 30s right now.
I see my breath.
I don't think the camera caught it.
I know, probably not, but I see it.
It's cold as shit, just know that. Anyways, I'm gonna go get warm and get some food. Terry gonna do the same. We'll see y'all in the next one. Have a good night. Peace out. Thanks for rocking with us.